Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your Craigslist account password. Now let's begin. Right now, let's just say I have forgotten my password and I want to reset it. Well, this video here is for you. I'm just gonna go to your account right here. And right here you can see something like email/handle and password. I'm just gonna enter my email address right now. And I do not remember my password. Well, simply click on this forgot password button right here. Well, do note that you have the option to email a login link as well. But right now, I'm just gonna click on forgot password. Now I just need to fill my email address right here once again. Once you've entered it, simply hit on reset password. As you can see, a link to create a new password has been emailed to the registered email address. I'm gonna go to my email right now. And as you can see, I have received an email like this which says to reset your Craigslist password, choose a new password right here, click on the button here. And from here, simply enter your new password and retype your password. And once everything's okay, simply hit on this change password button right here. Do note that you can go passwordless as well. It's up to you. And guys, that's it. That's how you reset your password in your Craigslist account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.